You can order the brake pads used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the wheel lug nuts on the rear wheels. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. In order to change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you will need to take off the wheels to have full access. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Insert a flathead screwdriver to the outer extremity of the oblong hole located on the front of the brake caliper. Lift it off using the screwdriver as a lever by pulling it towards you. This will cause the piston to retract slightly, so that the caliper can be removed more easily for the next steps. With a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the slide pins. Then remove them. Tip: attach a piece of electrical cable or a hook to one of the strut spring coils. You can now remove the brake caliper and hand it to the previously installed hook. Remove the brake pads by prying them out with a flathead screwdriver. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the anti-rattle clips. Brush the caliper mount around the pads to remove any extra rust that could prevent the pads from sliding. You can order the pads kit used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. CarParts.com also recommends replacing the anti-rattle clips with new ones. Place the new anti-rattle clips on the caliper mount. Grab the new pads and lightly coat the ends with copper grease to help them slide more easily. Insert the new pads into the caliper mount by sliding them in.
If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Grab the brake caliper. Put the brake caliper back in place and screw in the slide pins by hand at first. Screw them in using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Clean both sides of the disc with brake cleaner and a cloth to remove the grease from the new pads. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Don't forget to screw the brake fluid cap back on before starting the car. Attention! Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to push the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 30 miles or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation complete.